Hey product explorers, and welcome back. Our channel delivers quality videos daily to give you the best product insights, and in this one, we're cutting through the noise to bring you the best quiet blower fans for your garage. Stop shouting over your equipment and start working in peace. Number 1. Lasco U1517 Pivoting Air Blower. Second, its CFM rating ranges from 290 to 375. While this might not be as powerful as an industrial shop fan, it has the benefit of producing a direct stream of air. This makes it suitable for drying applications such as carpet or paint, or cooling a single location. It has a fully pivoting head, meaning you can direct the air wherever you want. The fan has a 10 feet power cord, a carry handle, and is well built. This means it's suitable for construction uses because it can take a beating thanks to its superior design. Perhaps my favorite feature is that it includes two distinct 120-volt power outlets. You can use it to power other devices, such as tools. While this might sound minor, it saves you running extension cables around a worksite. Number 2. Stanley ST310A120 Blower Fan. Stanley is a well-known company in the construction world, so it's no surprise it offers a quiet blower fan for workshops. At 12.5 by 10 by 12 inches, this is a highly compact model. As a result, it's ideal for carrying to job sites. It has 3 speed settings and the fastest operates at 65 decibels. While this is louder than the Lasco fan above, it's still well below the threshold of quiet blower fan. Plus, when you factor in shop noise, it's not a problem at all. This fan has a maximum CFM rating of 350. Which is slightly lower than the Lasco, but it has quite a wide vent, meaning you get a decent area of cooling from it. You can pivot the blower head to direct the airflow, which is helpful considering it's such a small model. Also, it includes a single 120V power outlet, which should be fine for most shop applications. Number 3. Lasco X1295 X Blower. This Lasco fan has many features similar to the Lasco above, but with a few extras thrown in. It didn't make the top spot simply because it's louder. Its maximum noise level is 72 decibels, which is quite loud for a quiet blower fan. Its CFM ratings are almost identical, 300 to 370. It also has a pivoting head but has 6 positions rather than it being free pivoting. Overall, this doesn't make a massive difference, although you're slightly more restricted in where you direct the airflow. Unlike all other blower fans on this list, it uses a touchscreen to control settings. But this isn't a massively helpful feature, as the usual dial setting is fine, particularly in shop applications, where it's not uncommon to find yourself wearing gloves. Number 4. Air King 9550 Pivoting Utility Blower. This Air King blower fan is friendly to your pocket and your ears. It's a slightly lower price than the Stanley fan, but does sacrifice some functionality. Perhaps most importantly, its maximum CFM is only 310. But its noise level is 60 decibels on the highest setting, and you have 3 to choose from. Although you lose some air power, it's still a quiet fan. If you're on a budget, a slight loss of airflow isn't a big deal. It has a 360-degree pivoting head, a carry handle, and 7-foot power cord. Overall, it's a good model for cooling smaller rooms, but will be noticeably weaker in larger open spaces. Like the Lasco blower fan, the Air King has 2 distinct 120-volt power outlets. Again, it's not a massive difference over the Stanley, but it does provide greater flexibility for plugging in tools when working. Number 5. Air King 9555 Pivoting Air Blower. This model is the upgrade of the Air King above. It didn't win the budget pick because its more powerful airflow means it's at a higher price point. 2. Its maximum CFM is 350, which is still slightly lower than the Lasco and Stanley blower fans. Also, its noise level is 77 dB, which is considerably louder. Its lowest dB rating is 69, so it's even fairly loud at its slowest speed. But it makes up for this with its overall design. It's a very sturdy fan and would be ideal for use in workshops and garages. In these settings, the higher dB rating won't even be that noticeable. 2. It has the usual features you need from a blower fan: pivoting head, 2 power outlets, and a carry handle. The power cord is 7 foot long, so you should have enough flexibility for using it in larger rooms.